Thank you so much for your questions, and I truly appreciate that you took interest in my candidacy, and I plan to address this in a more specific way through a press conference. We're holding a press conference in the coming days, and I look forward to sharing my vision for the province of Cebu. Thank you very much. Yeah, I'll just call for a press conference.
When the sharpest words wanna cut me down, I'm gonna send the blood, gonna drown them out. I am brave, I am bruised, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me. Look out, 'cause here I come, and I'm marching on to the beat I drum. I'm not scared to be seen, I make no apologies. This is me. Another round of bullets hits my skin. Well,
Because I believe that good government always starts with listening to the people.
Governor Pam.
When the sharpest words wanna cut me down, I'm gonna send the blood, gonna drown them out. This is brave, this is bruised, this is who I'm meant to be. This is me.
The people's government